Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In previous video, I had told you about Python dictionary methods. Today we are discussing about conditional statement in Python. Okay, conditional statements are used to execute certain blocks of code based on some specific conditions. Okay, and these are some conditional statements like if statement, if else statement, elif statement. Okay, so let's talk about with if statement. If the condition is true, then the block of code inside the if statement is executed. Okay, so as you can see here is showing the example of this if statement. So let's open your editor. I'm using here Visual Studio Code. So I'm writing here a is equal to 10, b is equal to, let's suppose, 5, and just type it here if keyword, and after that enter your condition here. So I'm writing here, let's suppose a is greater than b, and let's print this value. So I'm writing here print a is greater than b. Okay, click on done. As you can see here is showing a is greater than b. That is true because a's value is 10 and b's value is 5. So 10 is greater than 5. That's why here is showing a is greater than b. Okay. So let's talk about with another example. So I'm writing here print statement outside of if statement. Okay. So I'm writing here not in if statement. Okay. And click on done. As you can see here is showing not in if statement because here condition is false. Our condition is a is greater than b, but here b's value is greater than a. That's why here is showing not in if statement. Okay, if you have any query related with this if statement, then you can ask me in the comment section below. So let's talk about with another example. So I'm changing here value. Okay, let's suppose a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 50. Click on run. As you can see here is showing a is greater than b. That is true. Okay. Like this, we can use if statement in Python. So let's talk about with Python indentation. Indentation is spaces at the beginning of the each line. Okay. So here is the example. Let's open your editor. Here is the if statement. Okay. And I'm removing here space before this print statement. Okay, so here is showing indentation error expected an indented block after if statement because we have to leave some space before print statement. Okay, click here tab and just save this code. Click on done. So our code is executed now. Okay, so this is Python indentation. If you will not leave any space before print statement, then it will give you an indentation error. Okay, so first of all you have to add Python indentation in each code, so it is very important. So if you have any query related with this if statement, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.